The final video to fix Mortal Kombat 1 sounds missing or not working. And if your game is silent, listen carefully. Are you facing a problem where Mortal Kombat 1 plays without sound, or some audio effects are missing during gameplay? This usually happens because audio drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or in-game sound settings conflict with Windows audio. Sometimes small glitches or hidden system issues silently block certain sounds from playing. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long driver reinstalls, risky file replacements, or confusing sound tweaks that take forever and often fail. On Rexist, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that restores all missing sounds in Mortal Kombat 1 fast and makes audio work normally again. This trick updates audio drivers, repairs corrupted game files, and fixes in-game sound settings the correct way. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and brings full sound back to your game. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexist always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Mortal Kombat 1 sounds missing or not work in a smart way.